Okay bro, so I'm going to record a video. I will add this links in description, you can get it from there. So first let me just ignore this server. We will create new fresh server. Okay, now go to here. Let me close this also. I'm going to set up a fresh new server. Okay, now close this also. So before setting up a server you must have a port forward. Okay, this video will be long, sorry for about that. Let me scroll down, go to Google Chrome. First you have to download this Java file. Okay, download this Java file, it will install. You just have to install it, as I already installed it, so I'm not going to install it again. So I will just show you the procedures. It's a basic feature. You just have to press next, and when it's done installing, wait, I don't know why it's taking time. Okay, next. It's just taking time, I don't know why. Okay, as you saying, already been installed, so I'm not going to install it again, so you will do it. Okay, I'm going to close it now. When the installation is done, you have to go see program. Okay, now wait, before going to see, you have to download Minecraft server. Okay, download the Minecraft server, go to the official their website, download this one. Okay, okay, now go to show in folder. I don't know why your computer take this time to whenever it's download. I think it's because of antivirus. That's why it's scan file and then it's allow. Okay, now copy this and paste it to the folder which we just created, fresh new server. Done, server jar is there. Create a file with name startup.bat. Okay, press yes, right click, edit. Okay, and copy these commands. Okay, and change it to server.jar. This file you can see server.jar, and we have to type here quotation mark, wait, these quotation marks, and we have to type here the URL of Java which we just installed. Like, let me tell you, you have to go to C program files, go to Java, this is 17, bin, go scroll down, as you can see Java dot here. You have to press shift button and right click button so you can copy as path. If you press without just right click button, you will not be able to copy as path. You have to press shift button and then press right click button, you will see as copy as path. You have to do it and paste it like this. Okay, I think we should remove it like this and paste like this. Okay, this will be like this. Now close it and run this bat file. It's downloading the required files, starting minecraft.net. As you can see, it closed because we have to open Yola and make it true, save. Then we have to open server.properties and we have to change this port, as this your port is not forward. Okay, so this port is your forward. We have to change query port, we have to change this one, and we have to change query control, this one, query underscore false to true. Okay, close it, go to, now run this bat file. This 443 is the port which you told me that it is forward, so I'm using that port. It is running. Oh, one more thing is, okay, wait, I will test. Let it start first. It usually take in first time when starting up the server, but in the later on when it's starting, it will not take time. You can close start in a quick manner. It's just loading the data. Before it loads, I tell you to type internet my IP, copy this IP, type here Minecraft server checker, go to the first page. This is the page which you can test. It's a good page. Type here 443, but wait, yeah, now it's saying query running on this. So check. As you can see, server started. I hope you understand the tutorial.